Fieldwire doesn't show a single fixed price because the cost changes based on team size, project needs, and which construction coordination features a company uses. By the end, you'll understand how Fieldwire pricing works, what actually affects the cost, and whether it makes sense compared to other construction management tools. Fieldwire is construction management software used to manage tasks, punch lists, drawings, scheduling, and field communication in one system. Instead of one flat subscription, pricing is structured around different plan levels based on features and team usage. Now, explain plan structure. Fieldwire uses tiered plans where each level unlocks more advanced construction workflow tools. Lower tiers focus on basic task management, punch lists, and field communication, while higher tiers are designed for full project coordination, blueprint management, and advanced team workflows. Now explain what affects pricing. The biggest factor is feature access, because advanced tools like detailed project tracking, drawings management, and reporting are typically part of higher tier plans. The second factor is team size, because more users means more supervisors, project managers, and field workers collaborating inside the system. Now explain what you are actually paying for. You're paying for an all-in-one construction coordination platform that replaces separate tools like task apps, blueprint sharing tools, punch list systems, and field communication software. That matters because contractors often compare Fieldwire to the combined cost of multiple tools instead of a single platform. Now explain who uses it. Fieldwire is mainly used by construction teams like general contractors, subcontractors, and site managers who need real-time coordination between office staff and field crews. Now, explain why pricing feels unclear. Pricing feels unclear because there is no single public price for every company, and costs depend on how many features and users are included in a setup. Now explain common misunderstanding. A common misunderstanding is expecting Fieldwire to have a fixed monthly price, when in reality it scales based on both features and team size. Now explain decision logic. The real way to evaluate Fieldwire pricing is to compare how many separate tools it replaces in your workflow, instead of trying to find a single number online. Now explain limitation. A limitation is that smaller construction teams may not fully use advanced blueprint and workflow tools, which can make the platform feel expensive compared to simpler task management apps. Now simplify it. Fieldwire pricing is based on construction coordination complexity, not a one-size subscription that fits every contractor. Here's the simple breakdown. Smaller teams usually only need task management and punch lists, while larger teams benefit more because they can manage drawings, workflows, and field communication in one system. Do this next. List your current tools for task management, punch lists, drawings, and field communication. Then compare them to what Fieldwire replaces in one platform. If Fieldwire replaces multiple systems, the cost becomes easier to justify. If it only replaces one or two tools, a simpler construction app may be the better fit.